Hello everyone. Today we are reviewing a USB-C docking station. This station has 4K HDMI, 100 watt PD, 3 5 GHz data ports, 1 USB-C and 2 USB 3.0, TF SD card reader, USB hub for laptops, MacBook Pro, Air, Mac, Dell, HP, ASUS, Acer, and Steam Deck. And now we will unbox. That is everything that comes in the box right there. Of course, you got your manual and you got your docking station. Okay, I'm gonna hook it up to my computer and I'll be right back. As you can see, I have the docking station already installed in my computer, and I have a USB and a SD card plugged in. Next, we will go to my computer and see how it works. Alright, now we're at my computer. We will see how this works. Here is USB drive, and recovery. Now, this is a video from EasyWiz or EasyViz. It's just something that was shot. So that is working. Let's see. And this is, I believe this is the USB one, but I will unplug the USB drive and see which one disappears. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that works. Now, let me see if I can get back to this PC. Alright, there we go. That was this one here that I just unplugged. Now I will unplug the SD card and we will see which one disappears. Here it goes. There we go. Alright, so it looks like the SD card and the USB work. So there we go. Thank you all for watching and checking out the video. Please remember to hit like and subscribe if you can, and hopefully next time we'll bring you something a little bit more interesting. Thank you. Bye.